Hello! Today I'm going to show you a few ways to split letter shapes in half. Let's type split. Before we can edit our letters, first we need to convert them into shapes. With everything still selected, right-click and choose Create Outlines, or press the Ctrl, Shift and O keys on your keyboard. This creates a group of several shapes. Let's ungroup it. Right-click on this group and select Ungroup. Now we can select and edit each shape individually. Let's split the letter I shape. First, switch to the pen tool. Set the fill to none and move the stroke to the top. Next, go to View and be sure the Smart Guides are turned on. Now hover your cursor over the center guide and click on it. Then move your mouse down, and while you are holding down the Shift key, click to create a straight vertical line. Switch to the Selection tool and then select both objects. Next, go to Pathfinder. If your Pathfinder window is not showing, go to Window and choose Pathfinder. Now select Divide. This creates a group of two shapes. Select one of them, then go to Swatches, be sure the fill is on top, and now pick a different color. If you wish to separate this group, right-click on it and then choose Ungroup. Let's split the letter S shape. So like we did before, swap the fill and the stroke and draw a straight vertical line. Select both objects and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Let's pick a color from the Swatches panel and then click on these two shapes. Select a different color and click on these shapes. Next, we need to delete the unwanted lines. To do this, press and hold down the Alt key to get the minus symbol next to the cursor, and now click, hold and drag to delete it. Another way to do this is to select the unwanted lines directly from the Layers panel and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Let's select these two shapes and group them together. And do the same with these shapes. Now we can move them as one. Next, I will show you how to split a letter shape at a specific angle. Let's draw a straight vertical line. Next, select the line and while you are holding down the Shift key, select the T shape as well. Then click on the T shape again to mark it as a key object. You will notice a heavy border around it. Now open the Align window and choose Horizontal and Vertical Align Center. Next, select the line and then press the letter R for the Rotate tool. This creates a rotation point in the exact center of our shape. Let's press Enter to open the Options window. And now we can type a specific value into the Angle window or use the up or down arrow keys instead. Now follow the same steps like we did previously. Select both objects, choose Divide from the Pathfinder window, and if you wish, apply a different fill color. Next, we are going to create a split in the center of this longer arm of the letter L shape. Let's zoom in and switch to the outline mode. Next, select the pen tool, set the fill to none and bring the stroke to the front. Now draw a straight horizontal line from this anchor point to this intersection. Let's move this line down and rotate it by 90 degrees. Next, switch to the Direct Selection tool, select only the top anchor point and drag it above the letter L shape. Now follow the same steps like we did before. Select both objects, choose Divide from the Pathfinder panel, and if you wish, apply a different color. Next, we'll split the letter P shape at a specific anchor point. First, switch to the Pen tool. Now make a line from this anchor point to this one. Next, we'll extend this line to the top and keep the same angle. To do this, first switch to the Direct Selection tool. Now click on this anchor point, hold, and drag it to the top. Keep moving your mouse sideways until you see the On sign next to the cursor. Now release the mouse. Next, switch to the Selection tool and select both objects. Choose Divide from the Pathfinder panel, and if you wish, apply a different color. Finally, select the empty paths and delete them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.